Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips. Are you struggling to manage your money while living on a low income in the U.S.? You're not alone? No. Millions of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck and, trust me, I've been there too. But here's the good news. Budgeting on a low income is possible. And in this video, I'll walk you through a simple, realistic, proven budgeting method that can help you take control of your money, even if you're re-earning less than $2,000 a month. So grab a pen, take some notes, and let's dive into it. The first step to budgeting is understanding exactly how much money is coming in and where it's going. Most people think they know, but when they track every dollar, they're shocked. If your income is $1,800 a month, you need to write it down clearly. Then list all your essential expenses: rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and minimum debt payments. These are your musts. Non-essentials like takeout, Netflix, or impulse buys, those can come later or be cut. Use a simple notebook, Google Sheet, or a free app like Rocket Money or Mint to keep track. You might have heard of the 50-30-20th rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. But if you're on a low income, this might not work as is. So let's tweak it. Instead, try a 70-20-10 rule. 70% for essentials, 20% for debt repayment and savings. 10% for small fun spending because you still deserve joy, even saving $20 to $30 a month can build momentum over time. The key is to stay consistent. Let's talk about reducing your expenses without feeling miserable. Here are a few smart tips. Cook at home. A $3 meal at home can save you $10. 15 compared to dining out. Buy in bulk. Non-perishables like rice, beans, and pasta save you a lot in the long run. Use public transport or carpool. If gas or car payments are draining your wallet, this can help. Cancel unused subscriptions. You'd be surprised how much goes to Netflix, Spotify, and old gym memberships. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can redirect toward your goals. Yes, saving is hard on a tight budget, but not saving is riskier. Start small. Put aside just $10 per week. In 6 months, you'll have $240 saved. This emergency fund can cover unexpected costs like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Keep this money in a separate savings account, preferably with a bank that offers high-yield interest, like Capital One 360 or Ally Bank. If you struggle with overspending, use the cash envelope system. Set envelopes for different categories like food, gas, and fun. Once an envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. If you prefer digital tools, apps like Good Budget or YNAB follow the same principle. Sometimes the problem isn't just expenses, it's limited income. Explore side gigs like online freelancing, food delivery, selling unused stuff on Facebook Marketplace, tutoring, dog walking, or virtual assistant jobs. An extra $100 a month can change everything in a low-income budget. The key to successful budgeting is consistency, not perfection. You will mess up sometimes. That's okay. Just review your budget weekly or monthly and make small improvements. Celebrate small wins. Even saving $50 is a big deal when you had nothing. Budgeting isn't just about cutting back. It's about building freedom, peace of mind, and control over your life. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mauuak Saving Tips for more smart money content. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle with budgeting right now? Remember, no matter your income, you can take charge of your finances. $1, one step at a time.